Mr. Martin.
Very good afternoon. I am fine, thank you.
Okay, so tell us about your experience the very first day. Are you excited?
Yes, absolutely. It was a great day today. So we had a very interesting leads and a few very nice customers already on the booth. And I hope the progress in the next days will be the same level like today.
So also, what do you expect from this edition of Indiawood?
Yeah, so Indiawood is a very important show for us, and to be present in the Indian market, it's a huge growing market for us as well. And I hope the progress for our company in that country will succeed in the future.
And according to you, how Indian woodworking market is booming and what are the present outcomes you are witnessing right now?
Yeah, so for us the market is booming for the machine industry. The production level is very high, the quality demands getting higher and higher, so that's why German machinery will be interesting in the Indian market, and that's helpful for our technology and helpful for our customers to be here.
Can you tell us the market for roller coating technology in Asian countries, especially when it comes to India?
Yeah, so the roller coating market, especially for the UV coating market, is increasing. So as I already mentioned, the quality is already increasing, and that's why the roller coaters itself getting a bigger market shares, I think, compared to the spray coating. The roller coating is a very efficient technology. Resources for coating and in terms of electricity and consumption. So that's why the market is a good market.
And what are the prime innovations you bring here? Is there any special product you are showcasing this time? And in regards to that, can you enlighten us on ROBUSPro?
Yeah, the ROBUSPro is one of our newest developments. So it's a spray machine. It's a very flexible spray solution for the entry-level market. So when your company switches from manual operation to automated automation, the ROBUSPro is the right machine for you. So it's very flexible in terms of coating material, in terms of products. So you can use it for every types, from the kitchen to flooring to sideboards, everything. So we have a very good solution for the markets and the demands.
And is there any special product you are focusing at this time of India?
For us, it's mainly the finishing market, so roller coating and spray coating, like the PUR market, so the glue spreader with the foil adhesion to it. So these are the main machinery technology we present here, but also we are in the door manufacturing. So India is very present in door manufacturing, so we also present our door manufacturing lines and their newest technologies there.
What are the markets going forward in 2025?
So we see an increase in the Asian areas and also in the US market. So that's why we are here present, like in the last couple of years, and we focus strongly there. So there is a stable market in Europe. We're also hoping that the development there will start again and we will back up there. But yeah, so for us, very important markets will be Asia and US in the next couple of weeks and years.
And we will celebrate LIGNA in few months, and 2025 is all about the exhibitions. So if you are participating at LIGNA, what will be your strategies to celebrate the 50 years of LIGNA this time?
Yeah, so we are at LIGNA for almost since the LIGNA exists. So LIGNA is one of the most important shows for us, and of course we will participating at LIGNA and celebrate with the LIGNA team together the great anniversary of 50 years there. And as I said, for us it's one of the most important shows, and we will be there and we're happy to meet you there.
That's good. And thank you, Mr. Martin, for interacting with Indian Europe, and we wish you all the best for the rest of the days.
Thank you very much. Thank you.